Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the chat. This is the Mike Beast, Napoleon, macro, never micro. Guys, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I was wrong about the Tesla market, or was I? We're going to get into the details. I'm going to show you guys why the Tesla market is at a pivotal moment between the buyers and the sellers, and why this recent move to the upside is actually, believe it or not impressive to me, because of the cult buyers recently stepped in, and they're actually still a little bit shy of where they need to be in order for me to be impressed for a continuation to the upside. So we're going to get into those details, hopefully comb through them as quickly as possibly can. So let's get right into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, my loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's February the 6th, 2023, and the previous close of Tesla, $189.98, slightly positive 0.9% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, hopefully doing well. Let's get right into this chart here. All right, so what you're looking at on the screen is very simple to understand. So basically what I have on the chart is I found the previous support level. And if you've been with us for some time, and if you have a brief understanding of technical analysis or interesting analysis, what we refer to it as here on the channel, is when you break down below a previous support level, it tends to act as resistance, okay? And not in all cases, but if it successfully breaks above the previous level of support, that's actually a really good sign. And the opposite is true. If the market actually breaks above a resistance level, then it actually would act as support when it's compromised, and of course continue to the ups. Oh, excuse me. Wow, sorry. And continue to the upside. Then that's what we basically go over on this channel. That's so unprofessional. Sorry, guys. So with that being said, right now, what we're trying to understand between the buyers and the sellers, the reason that I say the buyers and the sellers are at a crossroads is because the previous support level, which I was able to identify from multiple touch points as far as what I can see, the buyers are obligated to close above and stay above on the weekly candles, not the 1 minute candles, $190. Okay, that is the previous support level. That is the buyer's obligation. Okay, and the reason that I say that I'm not really impressed with the recent move to the upside, although it's actually pretty impressive, I'm actually not going to discredit this move, guys. It was almost a 100% move to the upside. All right, it was an imminent bounce that we also identified but grossly underestimated. We said there would be a conservative of a 10 to 15% move to the upside, and I can't take credit for that, guys. It went up almost 100% to the upside. Okay, so that, again, let's be clear. Let's make sure we stay on track here, guys. In order for me to be convinced, the buyers have to do one of two things. First things first, close above and stay above the previous support level. Okay, and secondly, it must make a new high. Okay, because for an uptrend, you need to make higher highs and higher lows. Okay, for an uptrending market. Okay, relatively speaking, this overall market still has a lot of upside potential in the sense of being technical, but the market has not made any higher highs ever since November 2021. Okay, so hopefully we're clear on that. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to let everyone know. As far as the buyers, I'm not impressed until there's a new high. The new high is near the $300 level. If the sellers are here and they want to somehow make that prediction that we came out with our 6 to 12 months of a $50 Tesla incoming, that will likely take place over the next 6 up to 12 months, assuming that there is no higher highs and higher lows created in this market. Okay, and I guess I'll briefly explain what the percentages mean on the chart here. 35% From the low to the high, it was a 35% move higher. The 63% is just measuring from the low here all the way up 63%. And again, I'm just trying to give you an idea of the aggressive moves to the upside. 63, we got a 52% move here, and as of recently, this was actually the biggest move as a counter pushback from the buyers of a 93% move to the upside. That's actually pretty impressive. Again, guys, I'm not going to discredit that. However, it is still short. It's still falling short of making a new high. So once I see a new high, okay, follow me on the screen here, guys. Really simple, actually. Okay, once I see a new high in the Tesla market, then and only then is when I can say that the Tesla buyers are here and they're ready to move this market, substantially higher. Till then, I'm not convinced, guys. Okay, low, up, lower, high, down, lower, low, up, lower, high, kind of a double top, lower, low. Up, lower, high, down, lower, low, up. We need a new high. There's no new high. Beautiful move, but not a new high. Okay. So hopefully we're clear as far as what the buyers need to do here in the, let's give it a full, of course, let's start with our infamous 3 to 3 weeks. Okay, but we may have to get a little bit more time. First thing we need to see is how the price action is going to behave near this previous support level, $190. I'm going to say that over the course of the next 3 weeks, up to 3 weeks, I'm going to say that if we get just kind of a little clustered area of price action, just kind of hovering near this $190 level, just above, just below it, it's going to be indecisive for me. I'm not sure of the direction, but my price target is not going to change, guys, to the downside. Okay, it's not going to change. I know the critics, they're probably saying, oh, I was wrong. Guys, it's not going to change. Okay, say as you wish. It's fine. Give it time, 6 to 12 months, assuming there's no new highs. Yeah, rip to the downside. All right, $50 incoming. I'm sorry, $50 incoming eventually. All right. But nothing's set in stone, guys. Let's give the price action 3 weeks. I said that already. I feel like I'm repeating myself. So yeah, my price range, I haven't shorted the market, guys. I haven't been shorting Tesla, but I'm actually interested in shorting Tesla now. My shorting range would be between $190 up to about $230. That would be my shorting range, and then I would determine my stop depending on how the candles are shaping out between the weekly and the daily candles. Okay, please, guys, do not short Tesla unless you know what you're doing. This is not financial advice, but I still do think that there is bearish potential, assuming that the market does not make new highs. All right, that's the end of the video. Hopefully this was clear and crisp for everyone to understand. I don't think I explained the seller's obligation. Really simple. The sellers just need to make a new low, whether there's that clustered area price action that we spoke of, just above, just below that $190 level over the course of the next 3 weeks. The sellers need to make a new low, close below $190, and then successfully make a new low, lower than basically $100. Okay, if the sellers fail, then you might not want to be short this market, guys. Okay, forget about what I'm saying. I'm just going by what I see in the charts according to the candlesticks and the volume, and it is suggesting a rip to the downside eventually. Okay, let's give it time, guys. All right, let's give it 3 weeks, and that is how we're going to close out this video. Hopefully this wasn't too repetitive and somewhat informative. Sorry about that sneeze. That was so unprofessional in the beginning. Let's close it out, guys. So go ahead and if you don't mind, do me a huge favor before you go by simply leaving an appropriate thumb. I'd appreciate it below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative market, Bitcoin, for now, so you can kind of join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.